Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, janadgraphics. I know you all miss me. It's been a while. Yes, over months, I think about 7 months. Very sorry. I had an issue with my gadgets and some or other stuff. Yeah. So all I can say is I'm very sorry. Um, the most important thing is we are back with videos to guide you on how to improve your graphic design skills. So stay tuned. I'm going to take you through everything. So today, our study or tutorial is going to be on how to install Photoshop. So we are using the 2020 version. Okay. So I already have my Photoshop installed here or downloaded here, but I'm here to install it. So um, those of you who want to, download. Okay. So I have this Telegram channel. Okay, so I have this Telegram channel titled Janad Graphics. So if you go on Telegram, you can just search Janad Graphics. I'm trying to upload it there. I've not yet done that, or it's still in the process, but then I'll do that. Okay, so you can just get it downloaded from here. Now let's go back to our desktop screen. If you download it, this is how it will appear in a zip file. And so here with this, you have to unzip it. Okay, so you just need to left click on it, and you will see here WinRAR. Okay, so every desktop should have this, but then if you are not having this automatically, then you will need to download WinRAR. Okay, so we have extract here, all right, and we have extract files. Okay, so if you use extract files, to just extract the files and scatter them all over your desktop screen. But then if you use extract here, it will extract and create a folder, another folder where the extracted files. Okay, so let's just try the extract here. Okay, so let's go. All right, so it's extracting. You just need to give it some time for it to do everything and give you a result. So it's quite easy. You just right click, extract, and go to WinRAR. Sorry, left click, go to WinRAR, then extract here. Okay, so let's wait for it. So you can see another folder created here. You can see another folder here. I mean this folder, and it's titled Adobe Photoshop 2020. Okay, so let's open it. After opening it, we have this, but this is the most important thing, the setup. Okay, so that is what we are going to be using to install our Photoshop. So we just click on it, double click on it. If you double click on it, this appears. Just click on yes, then you wait for it to load. Okay, so leave everything here the same, do not change anything here. Language, leave it the same. Location, leave it to the same. Then you just go on continue. So you can see from the top here installing. Okay, so you just need to give it some time to install. Now we are at 5%, so definitely it's going to get to 100%. Okay, so just give it some little time to do its work, and after that we move to the next stage. So whilst we wait, if you have a problem during your installation process, you can just type in the comment section. Let me know the problem, the issue, and if it's possible for me to help, I'll just give you an instruction. If not possible, maybe I would give you my details, my contact details, to contact me so that we take a critical look at it. So yeah, it's easy to install, as I already said. It's very easy to install. Yeah, and it does not take more than 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, 15 minutes. So let's wait for it to install. It's done. Okay, so you just you can see here Photoshop has been successfully installed. So you just need to close this. Then I was already having Photoshop here, so let me search some Photoshop here. I can't really tell whether this is the just installed one or it has replaced this, but then after installing, okay, you will need to search Photoshop here at the search bar, and it will appear. If you search for it, it will appear here. It will appear here. So you just need to click on it. You open, and it will take you to this platform. Okay, so this is how to install Photoshop. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment and subscribe. And as I already said, if you have any issue with the Photoshop installation, just make sure you comment in the comment section. If I'm still not able to give you a solution, I'll let you get in direct contact with me so that we solve it once and for all. Thank you once again for watching this video. We are back. Remember, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.